What's going on? It's another day. It's been a few days since I posted the last video. It's been a few weeks, but I've been waiting on some parts for the Camaro, and I received one of the parts. And it was one of the parts I couldn't finish when I did the exhaust and the X pipe, the header's X pipe back. I had to take off one of the drive shaft tunnel braces off because it didn't fit anymore because it was hitting the X pipe. So I bought a new one from Halo. I think it's Halo suspension, maybe. I can't remember the exact name of it, but I'll show it to you right now. So I ordered it from Fast Tech online, and here it is. It's a nice piece. Halo. Take it out. There you go. It says Halo. BMR, I think BMR sells one, but it's flat, and then it gives you the little spacers. Supposedly, I think Texas Speed, when you order the headers from them, they give you the spacers. But I like the look of this one just a little bit more, especially because I had that little step raise. So hopefully, for sure, it'll fit. So I'm going to install this right now. I already got the Camaro jacked up from the back, ready to go, and I'll show you when I'm down there. All right, I got you under here. Let me get things situated. Put them away. The light. I got my impact with 13. And I gotta take off the old bolts. There's one on the driver's side. That one, and then 3 on the passenger. Right now I have it on the lowest setting. I left the bolts under there so I wouldn't lose them, because I lose shit very quickly. Very quickly. Okay. Let me see. I think it's gonna go just like this with the halo facing this way. Oh, there's one more. There's 2 on the other side. Let me see if I can reach it from passenger. Yes. Okay. What I'm gonna do, the passenger side first, since it's easier to reach. And then line it up with these. This one. Some people just take these off, but it does add some support, some rigidity to the car. So let me just go ahead and get it on. Get it started by hand. Missing one more. Okay, got them all started. See how it goes. It still looks like it might still be touching. So let me put it on number 2 setting. Let's go from there. Do the other side. Yeah, pushing up on it. Send it. Let's just send it. That one was a little tough. Should be good. Just let it sit. It's hitting, but you can see right there it is sitting on the cross member. I mean, what are we gonna call it? The tunnel brace. There you go. So I'll have to see if it's gonna be rattling, and we'll go from there. But that's a wrap up on the installation. And let me see. I do like the way the package came in. I think it's drop shipped from the manufacturer, from Halo themselves, and I liked how they did the little spray paint there. And yeah, I ordered from Fast Tech. I think it was $100, $100, and it will ship within a week. But I like the quality of it. We'll see if it rattles, and that because the exhaust. That's one thing. The exhaust is pushed up as far as I could get it up. So it's tight. That cross member, that brace is tight against the exhaust. It's like squeezing it against the exhaust and the car. So maybe just that extra pressure it has on it, it might keep it from rattling, but I'll keep you updated on that one. But yeah, that's the installation of the Halo dry shaft tunnel brace. It's for a 2020 Camaro SS, the 1LE. I think they're all the same either way. I think all the SS's, all of them have the same brace. I liked a little bit better from the BMR. I think the BMR one would probably have been, it wouldn't have fit, because the BMR doesn't have that little, what do you want to call it, step down like this one has. It just gives, they just give you the spacers, and that's it. The spacers and then the bracket. Looks nice, it's powder coated red and everything, but for my application, I don't think it would have fit. I don't know if the exhaust is different. I don't know. I still need to go back down there and just kind of check all the clamps again, but I don't have any exhaust leaks or anything right now. But time will tell, and I'll keep you updated on what's going on with that. See if it makes noise and see how it, I can see if it rattles. That's the main thing. But yeah, I still have to do the LT2 intake and an LT5 throttle body. I'm just waiting for the throttle body to get that one, and then I'll do the installation. I still haven't tuned it. It's still running rich at wide open throttle. It's 0.8, 0.85. So it's running rich. At cruising, it's just right at 1.0 lambda, which is, I mean, it's doing good at partial throttle. I guess is it and short-term fuel trims, I'm thinking. But yeah, at wide open throttle, it goes 8, 8.5, 0.8, 0.85, 0.89. Just it shoots around there. It's running rich. Maybe with the intake and the throttle body, maybe it'll even it out. We'll see what happens, but I still have to figure out the tuning on that one, and we'll go from there. But yeah, just keep updating, and then I'll post another video with the next modification I have. I still need to do some work on my mini truck. Still got some blazer work. Got a lot of work still. Go different cars, my friends' cars, just like that. Hopefully soon too, we'll be getting my friends picking up a BMW, a 4-door and a 2-door. 4-door is probably just gonna fix a few things, flip it, fund the engine for the 2-door. They're both E46s, but one's a 2-door coupe, really good condition, everything nice. The 325i, I think, and the other one, I'm not sure it is the 4-door. But we'll keep you updated on that, and just stay tuned in the channel, and we'll keep going from there.